Okay, hello everyone. On this video, I will explain to you how to handle vector data. Open your QGIS and then go to this coordinate small box and type world, hit enter. Then you will see the administrative political boundary of the world. Okay, this is the vector data already available within the QGIS. If you have your own vector data, there are multiple ways to open the vector data. The first way is you go to browser panel, open your folders. For example, I have administrative level 1, states or province, and just double click like this. Or you may go to layer, add layer, and add vector layer, and browse for your data like this. Okay, and find your data. In this case, I use a save file. Click open. Okay. Now we are working with using vector data. How to handle vector data? The first is like spatial queries. There are also multiple ways to do spatial queries. For example, you may choose using this one, select features. You select features. If you already have knowledge about the location of your study area, for example, I choose India like this, or China, or Australia, or Japan. Okay. Next way is you may select by using polygon. For example, you want to select, click, and then create a polygon to select all country in the African continents. Okay, selected. All the selected polygon will be highlighted in yellow color. Then you will select features by freehand, like this, or by radius, like this. Okay. Then if you want to clear selection, just click on this small icon, deselect features from all layers. Okay. Then if you want to zoom in or zoom out, just click on this icon to zoom in or zoom out. For example, I want to zoom into Japan. Just hold your left click, okay, like this. And then if you want to select or you want to identify what inside the attribute of Japan, you can see here, just click on this identify features icon and click on the polygon, and then the features will be appears, the attribute information, the name, the ID, and so on. This is for Japan, this is for Korea. Okay. And then if you want to make a selection based on the attribute table, you may go to this small icon to open attribute table. Okay, this is the attribute table of our world map administrative boundary so far. So this is the information. It's a nominal information, name, code, ID, and so on. Or you may also just select your layer, right click, and open attribute table. Same. Okay. Different ways, similar result, same result. Okay. Next, to select, if you don't have any knowledge about the location, for example, where is Botswana? So you click on this small icon, select features using an expression, go to field and values, double click on name equal to, and you may also type Botswana here. Just type post, okay, like this, and double click. These expressions means select Botswana within the column of name. Okay, then we select features, close, then we may move selection to top. Okay, this is Botswana, and then we may close the table and we can zoom to selection using this small icon. Okay, so this is Botswana. Next, how to save Botswana only. So we want to do the selection and we extract only the Botswana. You go to layer, sorry, you go to your layer, right click and export and save feature as, and then save only selected features, which is means you want to only save your study area. Then select the format. In this case, I will use just geo package. The file name is, I will put in the download. The file name is Botswana. Just click save. Okay. And then click OK. Next, we can uncheck the world map, and this is our Botswana maps. Okay. Next, if you want to add the best map, you may install the plugin first. You go to plugin, manage and install plugin, and type quick map surface. Okay, just type quick. In this case, I already installed. You select quick map surfaces and install the plugin. Okay. And this icon will appear. This is quick map surfaces icon. You go to this icon, go to settings, more surfaces, and get contributed pack. Okay, and save. Now you have more best map. Perhaps you want to choose, for example, Google and Google Roads, like this. Okay, you may also zoom out, like this. You may span, or if you want to create a classification using the world map, you may go back to your world map and then zoom only to, for example, African countries. Okay, then double click on your layer. In symbology, from single symbol, you change into categorize. For the value, we will use name to classify and use random color and classify and click apply to preview. And this is classification of fractal data based on the country's name. Okay. If you want to make some change like transparency level and so on, you may go down to layer rendering. For transparency, you may set to 50% and you may preview the results like this. Then if you are satisfied, you can click OK. Okay. Next, if you want to add some information like title, scale, and so on, you may go to View, select Decoration, and Title Label to add the table. Enable title label, for example, African countries. Adjust the font. You may change the size like this. You may change the background color and then apply like this. These are African countries, or you may make some transparency level like this. If you want to change the font, just click here and then change this, the font type the style. Maybe you want to change the font point, and then size is to 40. Color, you want to make it, for example, red, for example. Just click OK. Apply like this. Okay. Next, you may add another decorations. Scale bar, enable scale bar. Position is still on the top. We move the placement into bottom left, for example, and change it to bar and click apply to check the preview. Okay. If you want to change the font, you may change the size to 30, for example. Change the font size, sorry, font type like this. Just click OK and preview. Okay, so this is the scale. Next, if you want to add another items like node row, go to node row, enable node row. View replacement is the overlapping with scale, so we change the placement to the bottom right and apply like this and click OK. If you are satisfied with the results, you may go to project, import export project, and export map to image. If you want to save your image, you click save like this, okay? And give it a name and decide the folders where you want to save your image. Otherwise, you may directly copy and paste. For example, like this, just copy to clipboard. Okay. And then if you want to open your PowerPoint, go to PowerPoint and pass your image. Okay. That's how handle basic thing of vector data, from visualization, spatial queries to classifications, and produce a map. That's all. Thank you.